In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate a suspended user in the Google Admin Console. If you manage user accounts for your organization, there may be times when someone's account has been suspended and now needs to be restored. This is a straightforward process in the Google Admin Console. And in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can reactivate the account safely and efficiently. To begin, sign in to the Google Admin Console using your administrator profile. Make sure you're using an account with the appropriate admin permissions, because without the right access level, some user management options may not appear. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main admin dashboard where you can manage users, devices, apps, and other organizational settings. From the main navigation sidebar, go to Directory and then click Users. This will open the user management area where you can view all accounts in your organization. If your organization has a large number of users, this page can include active, suspended, and other account states, so filtering the list will make it much easier to find exactly what you need. Next, locate the filter menu and select Suspended Users. This updates the directory view so that only suspended accounts are shown. Using this filter helps reduce confusion and ensures you're working with the correct type of account before making any changes. It's also a good way to confirm that the user is currently suspended and not affected by a different issue. Once the filtered list appears, click the name of the user you want to restore. This opens that user's account details page, where you can review their status and available administrative actions. Take a moment here to verify that you've selected the correct account before proceeding, especially if multiple users have similar names. After that, find More Options and click it. From the available choices, select Reactivate. This will restore the user's access and allow them to sign in again, assuming there are no other restrictions on the account. After reactivation, it's a good idea to confirm that the account status has updated successfully in the admin console. And that's all there is to it. By signing in with your administrator profile, opening directory and users, filtering for suspended users, selecting the correct account, and choosing reactivate from more options, you can quickly restore access for a suspended user in Google Admin Console.